What's up, guys? Stixx Picks here, back with a video. We're at a storage unit. I think my dad paid a lot of money for this one. I think he's paid like $5,000 for the storage unit. Okay, we have a lot of good stuff left over. We recorded the front half. Now we're in the back half though, as you can see. I'm pretty far back here. We got most of the unit to look through still, so we'll see what we have left. Guys, this is what we have left of the unit. We have a big old hole. This thing's pretty full for the most part. We got a whole trailer full already. Pretty much trying to fill this trailer up. We'll get everything.
By we, I mean me?
What do you mean, Sam? Yeah. I was watching. I'm kidding.
You did a great job. Now you're still on level 1 of loading, so you're not quite...
Well, as you guys can know, he talks about these badges all the time. Yesterday, a box fell off of our load, so you guys can hear that he...
Even Mr. Miyagi made mistakes. Not everybody's perfect. You know?
Oh.
That's just a life lesson for you to know, right?
Okay, okay. All the way from Stockton, yeah, we're driving back. Our box kind of flew off from her straps, so his ratcheting badge kind of like got deducted or whatever you want to call it.
Michael.
He still blamed me. This Remington box. Isn't Remington a shotgun? Oh yeah, shotgun shells. What's in here? Not shotgun shells. Yeah, that's pretty cool though. What are these? Are these just a bunch of stamps? Hey, stamps are worth money, right? Some of these could be worth, I have zero idea what these could be worth at all. I know they're pretty cheap though, right? Like, it's not like worth cents, but there's a lot of them in here. Some could be worth some dollars, right? How do you value stamps, Dad?
I would say there's got to be $250,000 in here.
$250,000.
No, I honestly don't know. So a lot of stamp people are philetic. They have them set aside in things like these are little expo ones, right? Probably about. What I would do with this, honestly, Michael, is we'll probably set this aside and we'll put this in an auction, right?
Whew.
These are new. Yeah, I think what we'll do is we'll set this aside for a YouTube auction or a whatnot auction. Both are in the description below. Look at all these though. Like, there's a lot of stamps. Does anybody know anything about these? 2,000 easy stamp hinges. These, I don't want you to hinge on every word I say, but these hinge stamps, all right?
We got a giant head, look at that. My dad really thought this was a 6-foot tall head or body, you know, head, body.
Call me out there, Michael. I fricked up.
He really thought it was, but now it's just a head. What's the value since there's no body? Like, come on.
I still want $400 or $500 for that. Man. Look at this. Let's look at this thing right here, Michael. This is Native American.
Native American, dang. Is that vintage?
Maybe it's Mexican American. What makes it Mexican American?
What does? Is it the coloring? Is it the material? Like, what is it?
It's the fact that it should, well, it's hard to say because it looks almost like it's been cut. So see how the end looks frilly?
Yeah.
Usually on a Native American, it's just piece, piece, flush, piece, piece. This is like your standard that looks more like it might be Mexican American or Mexican Indian, but I don't know the answers. So I'll have to have one of my experts.
The experts, yep. You know, in Pawn Stars, the expert comes in, you know.
No, my experts.
He has his own experts.
I have real experts.
Real ones.
Yeah, they call in experts on Pawn Stars. Those experts are my people.
Oh, he hired them.
Look at that. This looks.
Dang. This is a knife. Whew. Oh. Whew. Dang, what kind of knife is this? This looks like a high quality knife.
Put your hand out. Just put your hand back down. I'm gonna tell you, shit, we're gonna find a sharp.
This guy's scaring me.
No, it's not bad. It's like 20 or 30, but
20 or 30 bucks. Jingle bell, jingle bell. Titanic, 1912. This is a real one that was there.
wait a minute, is it?
Is it?
No, because that would be like $1 million. Michael, if that came off there.
Yeah. Did I really just trick you, Dad? Of course that's not. Like, that'd been crazy. Some tools. Some tools. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Is this for like a gun, Dad? A gun holster?
Is this a gun? I don't want you. You don't know much about it, so let me make sure it's not. What kind of
contraption is this?
No, because like, how do you open this? Oh, I see.
He's not the smartest guy. That's fine.
Okay, okay. I thought this was a real gun. It's a BB gun.
Is that not a good thing? Wouldn't it have been a good thing if it was real, kind of?
Well, it kind of would, but we have legalities to deal with. We would be down at the DOJ, stuff like that. What else is in there, Michael? Look at that.
Knives. Oh my goodness, more knives. Oh, this looks like a rusted knife.
This
You know,
looks
a
like
little more of a. Ooh, look at that. I can't.
Oh, what does it say on it? Copper?
I like the way it's kind of like angled. Look at that. It's like
Well, it's a stabbing knife, right? This is like designed
Oh,
for
it's designed
perfect entry into something.
Ooh, this thing is, ew.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe I should have my gloves on for this one.
Ooh.
Look, this could be a knife to like use.
Oh, you hit the jackpot, man.
Oh my goodness. He's yelling.
There's a buck.
What is this? What the heck is this? Oh, yeah, that thing's kind of sharp. This is a knife?
I feel like that's a knife sharpener. It's a buck steel man. Ooh.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
What are you doing?
That's kind of, I bet you that's 20, 30 bucks. Buck's 157. Buck is a good brand. If you know anything about knives, Michael.
Oh, Buck, another one.
Buck you.
Whoa. You guys hear all that? This could be a good knife to use to cut boxes, right? Look at that. That's a nice.
Is it a buck?
It's a buck. Buck 110.
Bet you that's a $60 knife.
I'm keeping it too.
It doesn't even fit. You don't even wear a belt. Where are you gonna? How are you gonna put that? You need one that goes on the clip like this. You need a clip.
I have one in my backpack. I just never take it out.
These are good deer hunting knives.
Ooh, this one looks fancy. Oh, mine's missing some on the bottom. Oh, this thing's coming off. Dang, look at this one.
Where is that? What's the brand? Nothing. China.
This is Italy. Okay.
M9 handgun. We still got a lot of opportunity to find one of these. Let me help you out here.
Just help me out here, guys. I'm taking too long for him.
No, you're not taking too long. I just want to help you out. This is actually a brand that's better than Buck sometimes, but I can't.
But he's also very weak. So
No, I don't have fingers. I don't have nails. I never have a good time getting knives out, so I have to do that. Case XX. This could be a very good knife. Actually,
how good though? We're talking
like minimum 100, possibly 3 to 400.
Holy crap, guys!
That's what that tops out at.
That's crazy. This thing looks kind of like silver. Why just like?
Oh, look at this. This is nothing.
What is this?
I don't know. It's Damascus.
It's silvery for some reason. Are these empty? These got something here? Oh.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Now that's almost a good one.
A buck. A bunch of buck knives.
Buck you.
Whoa, this guy really wants to like say it.
Say buck you?
He's trying to get me banned on YouTube, guys.
No, I would never, Michael. That's not my style.
All right, that's it. All of those in the knives. We got like 15 knives here, 10 knives. Showing you guys some more stuff. We got a bunch of random stuff just to show. It's hard to show everything. Like, it's just so much random stuff. Like, we got some pictures in here. There's a lot of paintings. The first load we got a bunch of paintings. Look at a big old raccoon. Look at it. It's got a big old raccoon made of solid wood. Solid wood. We got this head. This thing doesn't seem hollow. It seems pretty heavy. We have a fun time moving that. This looks like an old purse. Looks like an Indian purse or something. I don't know. Looks like a cool purse though. A vintage purse. Like definitely like maybe. It's got a price tag. $2.50. Pretty crazy. Some rocks. Why do they wrap up all these? Oh, never mind. It's not a rock. Little figure. What is it, like an otter? It's a dirty otter.
Nothing better than dirty otter.
Alright, we got a Yoda. Look at it. You got Yoda.
Who is Yoda?
No, look at this. I'm just showing you a little Yoda.
I know, but who is Yoda? The wisest man to ever live.
Salt and pepper. We got some salt and pepper for our holsters.
I don't think you believe me.
What is this? This is like an ornament. Looks pretty cool. It's like a rainbow glass.
That is a Christmas ornament.
Christmas
I
ornament.
think one of Jess wants that. Get this away from me. Isn't this what killed Snow White?
Wait, like touching the tip?
Sleeping Beauty?
Touching the tip of that?
Yeah, huh? That's what got snoozed.
I think so. That's what got Snoop Dogg.
You want to go and touch it.
Here, looks like a fancy cup. Blue cup. Ugh, these are all dirty. Oh, hairy. Why are they wrapped up then? I'll bring both. Ephemera. We got ephemera. Some really old photos
Where do those end up?
on the auction for you guys. For my dad's audience, actually, not my audience.
It might be on yours.
Probably.
Well,
No, it'll be on my dad's.
so what if your audience is my audience?
True, but like, this is my video, Dad. This is my audience right now.
Well, can you give me a shout out?
So you guys can watch the storage auction pirate. It's my dad. He has a few subscribers on YouTube. Here's a couple.
I need more.
Just a little bit bigger than me. It's like a little family photo. Pretty cool. Family photos. Lake Tahoe. Lake Tahoe. Hey, these are pretty old photos. They're pretty cool. Alright, I guess I'm not keeping you guys updated as I should, but we opened a bunch of these trunks. They're all empty, every single one of them. So far, at least. I guess we haven't gone through every one of them. I think we haven't opened like these couple, but all of them have been empty so far. We just got a bunch of random different things. We got like a fish. You know, we got a cool little table.
Bro.
It's pretty cool right there.
This is Badmouth Billy's rookie card. Do you know who that is?
No.
He sings this song, Rolling on a Reel. He pushed a button. You know?
Oh, yeah, kind of.
This is his rookie card. That's like, that's his
rookie
grandfather.
card.
Yeah.
This table, or this, I didn't show the video of this. My dad said this is probably the best item we have. What is this? What is this again, exactly?
Well, one, and I can see it sold on eBay for $1,500, which when furniture sells on there for $1,500, you know it's that. But I'm gonna try to get $1,500.
What is it?
This is Fenton. Oh, this is Fenton. This is called a pie rack. Or a Hoosier pie cabinet of some form. I don't know what this does. You know, that goes like that. That spins around. That does something like you put it's like a selfie photo box. You know, you put your eBay item in there in 1842.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then yeah, I don't really know how they work, man.
Hey, $1,500. Hopefully you want it. All right, guys. Storage moved. We're done. Pretty fast, actually. I'm lying. That was not fast. This should have been fast, but we had to record and stuff, so it's fine. Hope you guys like the video.
I enjoyed your video. I liked it and I shared it.
And they shared it. All right. Hopefully you guys do the same. Peace out.